Prince, mommy here. Oh my God.
Oh, the vet? Oh, for Sam? Okay, I'm gonna take.
You can go in the car and go to the doctor.
Immediately no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
He doesn't like the bed. It's okay, buddy.
이제 잠깐 보내 정말. 홀로. Hey, bud.
Hey, you scared? Come here. You got nothing to be scared about.
Bueno, ves.
You're not happy anymore?